landscaping. The neighbors are taking down a tree. The phone's ringing. Someone get the phone. Someone get the phone. They got it. It's one of those days. All right. I'm going to show you some favorites that I like, and I think you'll like it too. I recently found this Method Wood for good daily clean and cleans and dust almond. I love it. It smells so good. It smells like almonds, and it makes your wood just I don't know, it freshens it up. But Method, and you know the Method, if you're familiar with the Method brand, it's surface safe, non-toxic, and it's plant-based, their products. I really do like Method. If you've not tried it, try it, see if you like it too. The next thing that I love is Method Daily Granite Cleaner, and it cleans and polishes apple orchard. And it's got, I think, vinegar in it too, I believe. Let's see, this is shines granite, marble, and stone. But anyway, this one smells like apples. But it really, if you get granite in your house, if you ever have granite in your house, don't get black. I've got black granite, and it's beautiful, but you see every fingerprint. So, but anyway, this is really good. It really works well. The next thing that I've started using with the Method is the dish soap, and I like it too. This one is the fragrance of lime and sea salt. It smells good. Those are my favorite, I'm gonna put this up here, favorite cleaning products, and that I'm really starting to really love. All right. I was watching a video a while back, and I saw this sprayer. This sprayer here. Let me show you on this. If I can see it better. Can you see it? All right. This it's really good for plants. It's good for your hair. If you've got short hair, if you've got, they even show people with the heart that with this, but it's just pump and watch it spray. You push it, and then it'll spray. It holds about that much water, and I still have about that much water, and I've used it 2 or 3 times. But it's great for my orchids when I water them, or if I have a little plant. It's like my grandmother's cactus, Christmas cactus, or Thanksgiving cactus. I spray that with this too. It's really great for small little plants, but it's great for your hair too. If you're starting to do your hair and it's getting dry, you just spray this really great. I would spray it and show you how it works, but I'm really afraid that it might, well, I can't do it because I've got my hair, today I've got it straight. So, but just pump it and watch it spray, and it does. It just sprays. It's really a neat little, if you like them. You can get it on Amazon. Can't remember how much I paid for it. It wasn't that much. Also, I love this. You know, when we go to the grocery store, if we forget our grocery, the cloth bags, if you're one of the most people, I don't know if most people, but people, can I talk? Hello? If you don't forget your grocery bag, you have the plastic bags, and I use those when I'm doing stuff, when I'm cooking. I'll put it in the sink and put my stuff, instead of put it down the garbage disposal, I'll put them in that, and I'll freeze it, and then I know, wasteful. But this is, I love this. This is it's called Simple Human, and it is a 10-year warranty on this thing, which is great. You recycle. That shows you what you do. You put them in there, and you pull them out that way, or you pull them out from the top. But I would show it to you, but I've already put it on my wall, and it has 3 pieces of tape on it, and the tape, it held. I can't get it off the wall to show you, and you can do it with screws as well. So if you can do it with screws. But if you are trying to figure out how to have that drawer empty that has all your little plastic little things like that, Get one of these. And you can get these, I ordered online. It's called Simple Human. And they do have at the Container Store. I saw them at the Container Store after I got mine. So they do have them there. So it's really neat. Store grocery bags neatly and keep them handy for reuse. So there you go. Let's see, is there anything else I was going to show you today? I don't think so. I hope you guys have a great day, happy day. Be kind, be kinder than they are. And remember, before you say anything to anyone, think about how it will affect them. Make sure it will make them feel good. You have a great day. Remember, don't forget to give a smile. If you do, you might get one back. And I love you until tomorrow.